I've seen your face before, my friend, but I don't know if you know who I am. Well, I was there and I saw what you
Captain Fawcett tracks. Okay, we're at the start of the Captain Fawcett track. Justin in the joystick drive behind us. We got my mum, Kazang, Justin's support worker, my support worker Kelly. We're just waiting for NAF to rock up. Four-wheel drive tracks managed by the Armidale Four-Wheel Drive Club. It was carved back in the 1800s. It does close at certain times of the year, but it's still open now. We're in May. Here comes NAF.
Brake on your side?
Brake.
The first challenge on the track's about 5 kilometres in. It's a small water crossing. There shouldn't be too much water in it, but certain times of year it gets really, really deep. Another 12 kilometres past that, you can get down by the Murray River, have a late lunch down there. I think it's about 12:30 now. It might take us about an hour to get down there, I reckon. Yeah, so we'll have a look, see if there's any water in the river, and have some lunch down there. Yeah, the first part of the track starts out as a normal gravel road, a nice jarrah forest. You can see that there's been bushfires through here also. Not sure how long ago, I would say probably about 3 years ago. Well, it's been a couple of years since I've been down this track. It's the first time filming though, and the first time bringing Justin down here in the joystick drive.
20 plus years ago, Justin and I would have zipped down this track on dirt bikes without a worry in the world. How things can change in an instant. Kelly in with Justin on the way there, and if she needs to hit the brake, she's ready. Every time I drive this track, it gets rougher and rougher. The good thing today is that it's dry. If all goes well on the way down, Kaz and Kelly can switch for the ride back. Justin has a lot of four-wheel drive experience and dirt bike experience, so when we get to the tougher sections ahead, I reckon he'll navigate them fine.
But I ended up moving to Canberra and living there.
Come to the first bridge. See if there's any water in here. Oh yeah, a little bit of water in there. I think we've got a couple more kilometres till the first water crossing, but we'll sit here and just wait for these guys to catch up. Yeah, Justin and Kelly looks like coming next. Then NAF in the 900. He'll probably go ahead now. He's probably had enough weight for us. Cruising along?
Yeah, cruising along.
Yeah. It's a bit choppy, eh? A bit rough.
Yeah, it is a bit. Like, that's the thing, like, you don't really see it sometimes, like there's a bit of a shade over an area, you don't quite see the bump until sort of like the last minute, so I'll try to not go too fast.
And don't worry about me though, because it's a great seat.
Have you driven the whole way?
Yeah.
Down the hills and everything?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. All right, I'm going to stop at the water crossing. I'll see you there.
Theodore Fawcett was the fellow who forged this track back in the 1800s. It runs across the Darling Scarp from Nangle Road to Driver Road and follows the Murray River. Possibly was a shortcut out to the farmland in the wheat belt, and some parts were used for trains hauling timber. It's a single lane track and most people do it this direction, but it can be done both ways. You just have to find spots to pass safely. Anyway, the track is getting more challenging and exciting the further we go.
Yeah, gas guy in front now, so he's throwing up a bit of dust. Straddle this one. Hikers crossing. The sign back there said hikers crossing. That must be the Bibbulmun track. Oh no! There's a gate ahead. Hope that's not us. Oh no. Yeah, Fawcett track. On a dirt bike through here.
There's two sections along the track similar to this one which holds a lot of water in winter. They just get bigger and longer each year. No problem today, we'll just stick to the left.
No water at all. Okay, so here's the water section. This was the crossing I was worried about, but there's absolutely no water in there, so yeah, we'll just go straight through.
Whoa.
Another section that would be full of water. Pretty rocky, rock hard actually, the ground. How's the brakes working on that thing, alright?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. You alright to keep going? Yeah, hopefully not too much longer and we can get down by the river.
Cool. Yeah, no, I'm good.
You go ahead now.
Let's do some more research on Theodore Fawcett. A member of the Western Australian Legislative Council, went to Cheltenham College in England and was a cavalry regiment of the British Army. In 1959 immigrated to Australia and took up land in the Swan District and became a Justice of the Peace in 1862. He returned to England in 63 and 1864, got married and returned to Australia and started farming in Pinjarra, and was the only brandy distiller in Western Australia. He had 7 kids, 3 sons and 4 daughters. So sometime after 1864, he must have carved this track.
You got a copy back there?
Yes.
Yeah.
you're pretty strapped in up the top, eh?
Yeah,
This is a steep drop here. Do you want Kelly to drive it or you want to have a crack?
I'll do it.
If you need to put your arm across his chest, see what you reckon.
I do tend to fall forward a bit and then just sort of brace me something, but
See the drone down there too?
Stay to the left. Okay, we have ourselves a little bit of a challenge. I'll wait for the guys to come and then, yeah, I'll get them to follow me down there. I think I'll straddle the first part and then cross over, maybe. I think I'll go like one wheel each side and then cross over to the left.
righto. Footy or anything?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
Well, I don't Melbourne.
Hey?
I go to Melbourne, but I can't help that. Well, who did you back on? Oh, yeah, the fucking right.
They can't fall. Oh yeah, you're right.
Another challenging spot. This bit here is ridiculous in the winter. Yeah, fills right up. Rut just on the right here.
Mum stopped by the Pinjarra Bakery on the way down to pick up lunch, and Justin brought his own homemade tacos. Time to just enjoy lunch down by the Murray River. The river has a big catchment area that goes all the way past Narrogin into the wheat belt. I don't think you're allowed to camp on this part of the track. Anyway, thanks to everyone that helped bring Justin and I out here today, and we will leave you with some footage of the surrounding area and Murray River. Bye.